Hello Computing. The topic for today is the str.format. It allows you to insert values into strings and it also handles type conversion. Say you want to output this sentence: Hi, I'm Ethan and I'm 15 years old. Now let's take a look at this code. First of all, we have two variables: a name variable that holds the word Ethan. This is a string variable, and we have a variable called age with a value of 15, which is an integer variable. Now you use the placeholder, the curly braces, to insert the value later. And over here you want to do the dot format, and you want to insert the variable value, which is name, comma, age. This is position based. This is the first placeholder, so it's name, and the second placeholder goes to age. Now let's print the value of S2. Let's run it. There you go. Now the str.format also handles more complex type of conversions. For example, we have a variable which holds the binary literal 2. So this is a binary number 2. So we have a sentence, we say they are a placeholder, type as a person, and we insert the value of the binary literal. Now let's take a look at this, and there we go. There are two types of people in the world.